Paulie here. Check out my pan sauce.
Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started here. I've got a skin-on boneless chicken breast, and we're going to get this in the skillet here, which I've got heating up on medium to high heat. But this here is seasoned up kosher salt, cracked black pepper on both sides. So we'll go ahead and get a little neutral oil in our pan here, like so. And I patted this dry before seasoning it, but we'll go in skin side down, and we're going to let it go for about just shy of 8 minutes. You don't want to flip it, you just want to let it sit and get a nice sear on that skin, get it nice and crispy, and then we'll flip it. Okay, it's been going about 7 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and give it a flip here. Ah, look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, I tell you. We'll let it go on this side for about 3 minutes. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes or so, so we're gonna go ahead and take this out of our skillet here. And we're gonna set it off to the side here. Look at that. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get started with our sauce here. We're gonna deglaze the pan with some homemade chicken stock. I've got about a cup here. I always use homemade. So we're gonna get that in there. We're gonna scrape up bits in the pan there, because there's a lot of flavor in that. And we're gonna get our sauce started here. Get this reducing down. Okay, as you can see, I've got our stock going here at a nice low boil. So to that, I'm going to go in with like a 1/4 cup of fresh squeezed orange juice. Fresh squeezed, not anything from a bottle or anything. So we'll go in with that. I'm also going to go in with a dash of rice vinegar, just to get an acid in there. And we'll get that mixed, and we'll get let it keep reducing down. Okay, our sauce is continuing to simmer away here. I'm going to go in with some garlic. I'll have all the amounts in the description box below, the drop down or show more section, whatever you want to call it. Okay, I'm also at this time going to go in with a little kosher salt, like so. And an optional item, which is some red pepper flake, because I like a little spice in mine, but you can leave it out if you don't want any. So we'll get that in there, get it incorporated. Our sauce is continuing to reduce down, so we'll add in the chicken juices from our chicken here. Gonna get that in there as well. I've added some kosher salt and taste tested, so I've got it the seasoning where I want it. Okay, I've got our sauce about reduced down to where I want it currently, which is about 2/3 a cup or so. I'm gonna go in with some raw agave nectar. So we'll get that in there and get that incorporated. Let it continue. Just so you know, with pan sauces, you got to be patient. You can't rush it. It takes some time to get it reduced down and to get the flavors where you want it. But once you do, it's well worth the wait. So we're almost there when we got finishing touches here. Okay, you can see our sauce is nice and caramel color, and you're starting to get a nice finish to it. So at this point, I'm going to go in with some butter, some unsalted butter, like so, and we'll get that reduced in there. Man, does it taste good. You're gonna want to try this. Okay, after getting our butter incorporated, you can see what a gorgeous looking sauce we've got. Oh man, look at that. And we can just go ahead and put our piece of chicken back in there and let it rest. But yeah, there you go. Gorgeous orange agave orange sauce and our pan-seared chicken breast. But we'll get it plated up. Alright, there you go, our gorgeous orange agave orange sauce pan-seared chicken breast. Boy, is it good. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.